they're easier or harder to see. If you want them to fade into the background instead of a bright orange red, maybe a dark gray would work best. That way they're on the screen, but they're not really getting in the way. I mean, we've got lines on the chart already, so it may just be that you don't want the clutter on your screen. Now, also if you go up to the Tools menu, click on Options. This is where the main options for your charts come up. Now, you see here at the top it has Show Trade Levels. If you don't want to show the trade levels on your chart at all, then you simply take this check mark off. Now, let's go ahead and I'll just show you quickly. We'll enter an order, pending. We'll enter a buy limit down here. There we go. So now we've got an order at 95.96, and you can see that we don't have it anywhere on the chart. Now, if we go back to Tools, Options, Show Trade Levels, there you can see it right there. Whoops. There's our buy limit. So it's at your discretion. You can choose to see them or not. If you think they clutter up your screen, then by all means take them off. Just remember, you've got to have at least your terminal window open so you know where your orders are if you're not going to have them on the chart. I like to have them on the chart because I can see it as I'm trading and I'm going back and forth between the time frames. Look at this. It's on the hourly, it's on the 4-hour, it's on the 15-minute, everywhere I can see. The exception is on the euro. Obviously, I'm not trading the euro, but I can see it on all of my charts. So no matter where, even if I'm scrolling back, as long as that my order price is somewhere inside the price on the window, I'm going to be able to see it. Very, very convenient, very, very powerful tool. Now you can also trade directly on the chart. And here's what I mean by this. Let's say we're looking at a sloped line of support here. And we're looking for the market to break the line, and we want it to break this low. If we right-click and bring up our order, our menu, you see at the very top it says Trading. Look at this. If I want to buy at 96.55, all I have to do is click on the order, and it'll come in. If I want to sell, all I have to do is click on the order, and it'll come in. So I click on that, it automatically comes up. I can set my stop, I can set my target, and all I have to do is press place. Now, of course, this is invalid because it's above the market, but you get the idea here. It's very, very convenient, very easy to do, and this way you don't have to really think about placing the original price, especially if you use your crosshair. If you use the crosshair, you can easily see what your price is you're going to be setting it at. You see, obviously the crosshair here, 96.46. So if I want to sell as price breaks through that level, then I would simply have my crosshair set here. Whoops. Got rid of it. There we go. Right click. There we go. Trading comes up. Set my buy stop, set my sell limit, or I can just go to the new order window and I can choose it all from here. If I want to just get right in, I can do that. If I want it as a pending order, then I can set it here. Set my volume, can set my stop, take profit, and everything. In fact, the other handy feature is you can type in a comment. So I can type in comments here, trend down, trading breakout. There we go. And then you can set your place, and that comment will be on the trade so you can remind yourself. Very handy feature, very easy to use, especially if you're just beginning in the market. There are some very handy tools with Interbank FX.